The same thing is true for Abdul Kalam, right? But these two faces we are knowing. Next. How many of you are knowing? There is Marie Curie. Everybody is knowing. She is Marie Curie, and she had, to her family, Curie family has 3 Nobel Prize. Father, mother and daughter. So, we know Marie Curie. Next. How many of you are knowing these guys? Because he got Bharat Ratna, now you are aware that he is C.N.R. Rao. But before he has not obtained Bharat Ratna, if photo is given to you, you could not have identified who is C.N.R. Rao. On right hand side, the best organic chemist in India is Govardhan Mehta, a graduate from BITS Pilani. And then he is working in various laboratory institute of science, now University of Hyderabad. And he is also a topmost scientist. On this, Venki, who was the Nobel Prize, who got Nobel Prize from MS University, he has gone abroad, and in genetics he got this. You may not knowing this guy. He is Gujarati person, born and brought up in Bombay, Mansukh Bhai Wani or Mansukh Wani, and he discovered 2 anti-cancer drugs in United States, and he has more than 50 awards. But unfortunately, he is not patented when publication was done. So he didn't get a money, but he get a credit to save the life of millions of people who had cancer. So Taxol is a natural product, and Taxol isolation was first done, and property of its anti-cancer was discovered by him. So discovery of camphothecin and Taxol was done by him. He visited Rajkot few years back, and in our small seminar hall, he has given a wonderful lecture on cancer and how he discovered this drug. On right hand side, he is also a person who is not known to you, but his name is very famous in academic circle and scientific circle, and it is Dr. Nityanand, who was the director of Central Drug and Research Institute. And the best part of that, Central Drug Research Institute is the prime institute in our country who are in medicinal chemistry, and they discovered a few drugs. One of the drug is which is used as an anti-fertility agent, Saheli, which is sold in the market, and many advertisement is also coming. So it was discovered by his group, Dr. Nityanand. So these are the scientists who made progress in the scientific career. They were not engineers, they were not doctors by profession, or they were not in any technological institutes. They were basically working in the pure science. They were working in the pure science, and they achieved their goal. They made their career, and people are knowing, the world is knowing by their own work. So they have got money, they have got fame also. Next. Now when we talk about the careers, particularly careers in the chemistry or in the science, what I have seen over the years, if the parents have money, then you are going to a institute where you are giving good donation, and you are getting the engineering admission, IT, or other subjects which are very important for the market point of view. Then if parent has less money, then we select the institutes which are around us, we go there, we try to locate ourselves in the engineering courses, and whether the institute is running properly or not, but we want a level of engineering degree. And rest of the students, when they are not getting anywhere, then they say that let us go to the science career, let us go to the local college. And the mentality of society is that in the street, when somebody meets your father or mother or yourself, then say that where you have got admission. Then you say that I have got admission in Kotak Science College, I have got admission in Christ College. Then they will ask themselves and you first question કે તમને એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં ન મળ્યું, મેડિકલમાં ન મળ્યું, પેરામેડિકલમાં એડમિશન નથી મળ્યું, જાણે એના ઘરમાં આપણે કેમ ચોરી કરવા ગયા હોય અને ધાડ પાડવા ગયા હોય એવી રીતે આપણને જાસૂસની જેમ પૂછે છે કે તમે ક્યાં ગયા, અને પછી એ બાજુમાં જઈને બીજા વાત કરે, બાજુવાળાનો દીકરો જો ને અહીંયા નહીં રહ્યો, એને કઈ બહુ પૈસા નહોતા અને એને કઈ આવડત હતી નહીં એટલે અહીંયા સાયન્સમાં પછી ગયો છે. તો આ એક સાયકોલોજી છે એ આપણા સમાજમાં ચાલે છે. ધીસ ઇઝ ધી સાયકોલોજી ઓફ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ ઇન વિચ વી આર વર્કિંગ and we have to break this. The reason which I will tell you in few slides and you will understand. See, the chemistry is one of the subject which is foundation stone of all. Doctors and we are medical practitioners, but find out how many doctors have discovered drug. બધા ડોક્ટરનો સર્વે કરો અને બધી ડ્રગનો સર્વે કરો, 1000 drug. Who has discovered this drug? It is the biologist, it is the chemist, it is the natural product chemist who has discovered the drug. So doctors are learning machine and afterward they become earning machine. So they will lose their brain because they are collecting money and professionally they have to, because they have given 50 lakh donation, 1 crore donation, so they have to recover from the society. So they will cut your parts which are not necessary to cut. They will go for surgery where it is not necessary. So an unethical practice will come in a way, right? And when they are getting the degree, it is a very good वो they have to take. બહુ સરસ પ્રતિજ્ઞા લેવી પડે છે, જે પ્રતિજ્ઞાથી બધી વિરુદ્ધ જ એમને કરવું પડે છે. તો મારો કહેવાનો આશય એ છે કે કેમેસ્ટ્રી ઇઝ વન ઓફ ધી કોર સબ્જેક્ટ and one of the very important subject. તમે if you go in biochemistry, if you go in zoology, if you go in botany, if you go in any other branch, there will be chemistry. There will be chemistry. It is the core subject, and therefore to learn the chemistry from the basics very well, from the 8th standard onward to 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard chemistry, and learn by heart, it is very important for your career also. It is very important. Next. So you can just see that chemistry explains us basic property of metal. It gives us chemical reactivity of metal, inorganic compound, organic compound. It gives us importance of natural product. Now you know morphine, 5000 years the word used કરે છે, અને in this last parliament the government has to pass a law. કોઈ ખબર છે law કયો પાસ થયો છે? They have to pass a law because morphine is a forbidden item. You cannot keep morphine, a certain milligram also. But when the pain of the cancer patient is in the last stage of cancer and they have no other remedy, then morphine is given. Morphine na injection થી જેનું પેઇન દૂર થઈ જાય. તો morphine is a essential પણ પ્રતિબંધિત વસ્તુ છે. 5000 વસ્તી છે. ગવર્મેન્ટે આ વખતે લો કરવો પડ્યો કે જે પેશન્ટને જરૂર હોય એને મોર્ફિન આપવાની છૂટ આપવામાં આવે એનો કાયદો પસાર કર્યો. કારણ કે આપણી પાસે નાર્કોટિકનો લો હતો. Our narcotic law was very bad. So it was improved and it has now morphine is made available to the people who are sufferers. અને લાસ્ટ સ્ટેજમાં મોર્ફિન સિવાય કોઈ ઉપાય નથી. તો application of importance of natural product, application of material, synthetic as well as natural. When I was doing PhD and we have to process the data, particularly bioscience department, not from chemistry group. So they have to go to PRL, Physical Research Laboratory. કાલે જેના scientist અહીંયા આવેલા ને તમારે, તો Physical Research Laboratory માં ત્યાં જવું પડતું. There was a card system. તમારા જેટલા ડેટા છે એ બધા તમે એન્ટર કરો અને the computer size was almost of this room. And you have to process it for 30 days, 45 days, and then the entire processing was done. And then you will statistically analyze your data of your crop pattern in agriculture field, data of your rainy season, how much rain has been dropped in a particular area. So આ બધું કામ થતું હતું એ ત્યારના કોમ્પ્યુટરે થતું હતું. Now we have a laptop, now we have a small computer, now we have other things. How this because we have learned and we have developed various types of materials and properties, and that is the entire different line. It is known as material science. It is known as material science. આપણે વુડનું રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ કર્યું. આજે જ એક કાલના પેપરમાં જાહેરાત છે કે if you want some materials which is very near to wood, you can purchase from us. It is a plastic material, but it looks like wood, and you can put it in the open garden. So garden chairs, replacement of wood material, this has been possible because we learned lots of things in polymer chemistry, we learned so many things in material science. આ સ્ક્રીનનો ડિસ્પ્લે છે એ સ્ક્રીન ઉપર તમે એક જ સેકન્ડે ટચ કરો છો અને you can just look at. There are many metals involved which are in the periodic system in that, right? So that is a material science, and it is a very important branch. And we are not very ahead in material science, but we are trying to develop. CNL Rao is one of the best person we have in material science chemistry, and we learn so many things, particularly in physics side, on electronics, and we require lots of materials. There are laser dyes which can detect many things. There are markers, and there are certain markers which goes in our body and they identify where we have a problem. Suppose there is a pipeline and there is a crack in the pipeline, and pipeline is 10 feet below, then we have to send some isotope, and isotope will inform us where there is a leakage. Now this is basically the properties of the material, and it comes from the knowledge of chemistry. So application of material, synthetic as well as nature. So this is all the branches of chemistry. Next. There is close interaction of subject with chemistry. Chemistry has relation with physics, it has a relation with geochemistry, it has a relation with geology, it is a relation with biology, biochemistry, chemical physics, mathematics, medicine. So all are interrelated, and therefore you can say that this is the central place. Chemistry is the central place. If you don't know chemistry very well, you will not know biochemistry very well. If you don't know chemistry very well, then you cannot see how the body works, how the anatomy of body works, how the biochemistry of enzyme work. All comes through the knowledge of chemistry, and therefore it is a central place. Even from geology, geochemistry, astronomy, physics, these are all subjects which has a close interaction with chemistry. Next. Chemistry, one of the science which gives knowledge and money both. Path from Saraswati to Lakshmi. This is a very good branch. If you are knowing chemistry very well, I am sure that you can earn very well independently also. If you know the properties of material, if you know how to play with the material, how to make mixtures, how to make compound, how to isolate metals, how to purify metals, there is an ample scope. So you can be an entrepreneur by yourself. or you can work in some company, or you can work in a different way, or you can work as a scientist. So there are a number of opportunities which are giving us path from Saraswati to Lakshmi. Reliance શું છે? Petrochemicals, right? Basic knowledge ક્યાંથી આવે છે? Chemicals, chemistry માંથી. ONGC શું છે? તમે એક પછી એક ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઓ મેજર લેતા જાઓ. પ્લાસ્ટિક ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી લ્યો, પોલિમર ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી લ્યો. You can take any branch and you can see that there is a chemistry. આ જેટલા બી મોબાઈલ બને છે એમાં જે એના સ્ક્રીન્સ છે, it is from a particular metals, and if the number of mobiles are increasing within next 5 years, the particular metal which is used in this, it will be totally removed from the earth's surface, because earth has no stock of that metal. So then you have to replace that metal. You cannot recover the microgram from each and every mobile. So you cannot recycle that. And for that purpose, again, you have to go into the study of material science. What we can replace this particular metal and how can make better screen of the mobile with the use of other material. So these are all comes from this, and it is a path from Saraswati to Lakshmi. Next.